मेरा नाम नीलिमा सिन्हा रॉय। आई एम 72 ईयर्स ओल्ड। मैं आया है कलकत्ता से। इधर मैंने ऑपरेशन किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ऑपरेशन करा के, क्योंकि डॉक्टर महेश बहुत अच्छा डॉक्टर है। मैं बहुत प्लीज हूँ उसके बारे में। तो इधर सभी काम, फिजियोथेरेपी और सिस्टर्स all are very nice, very nice and very comfortable with us. तो मैंने बहुत खुश हुई इधर ऑपरेशन करा के। अभी 5 दिन 8 दिन हुआ। लास्ट मंडे को मेरे को हुआ, आज मंडे हुआ। आज मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ एकदम ठीक ठाक, कोई दर्द नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है। तो मेरे डॉक्टर इन लॉ ने मेरे को इधर लेके आया। अकेला ही आया, हम दोनों बच्चा लोग के।
কাজ করতে পারতে না বলো?
हम कुछ नहीं कर पाते, कुछ नहीं, जमीन पे बैठ के कर पाते, कुछ नहीं काम कर पाती। स्टूल के ऊपर बैठ के थोड़ा काम करते, चल नहीं पाते। थोड़ा टाइम चलते, इधर से उधर तक चार के बाद 10 कदम जाता, 5 कदम जाता तो बैठ जाता, चल नहीं पाते। और ऐसे ऐसे दुला दुला के हम लोग चलता है।
Yeah, hi, I'm Madhura Sinha Roy. I have come from Netherlands for my mother-in-law. She was suffering from acute knee problem. So she wanted to do the operation from Dr. Mahesh, and so I brought her here. And experience is really very good, especially the doctors over here. Dr. Mahesh is superb. He has done a wonderful job. I never thought that my mother-in-law will walk like this now as she's doing. I'm very satisfied with all of the staffs and doctors, everyone. And I was staying here in a hotel with my daughter. I was not able to attend my mother-in-law every night, so she was all alone. But as she told that she was very satisfied because every moment one of the person used to come and visit and ask anything is needed or not. She was very happy with the service, and I am also very much happy with this experience because I thought where she will be happy, she will be comfortable. Actually, we are from Calcutta. We thought it would have been better if we would have been done it from Calcutta. But when she wanted to come here, my husband was not able to accompany her because he is in work. So I had to come all the way from Netherlands. So now as she is happy, her experience is really good, and she would definitely refer others to come to Satya Sai Hospital. We are really grateful for this treatment and everything, and thank you everyone for all the support.